Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025. Now, we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 7.13. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF recorded a loss of negative 39.44%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 3.03% since its designation as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but false breakouts and sell-offs may occur. Nonetheless, a continued decline seems plausible, and any movements back to the breaking point, which is $18.73, are seen as a second opportunity to exit. According to fan theory, $7.02 could represent the new lower limit of the upcoming trend, but it is still too early to make any definitive statements about this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 21.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 15.46% to 37.4%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 33.51%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 70.37% to 95.78% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.16 and $34.09. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Significant Movements in SOXL ETF Price on Tuesday, changing 12.02% between high and low. The SOXL ETF price experienced a decline of 3.22% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, falling from $17.99 to $17.41. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 12.02%, with a low of $16.51 and a high of $18.50. This price has seen considerable volatility recently, resulting in a loss of 30.47% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is often a positive indication as volume typically aligns with ETF movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 8 million shares, totaling 159 million shares, traded for approximately $2.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $16.51. Currently, the price is 75.16%, or $52.67, below the 52-week high, and 95.4%, or $360.83, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has recently encountered a significant downturn, dropping to $26.30, down 62% from its 2024 high. This decline can be attributed to the fading artificial intelligence bubble, which is leading to increased volatility in the semiconductor sector. Furthermore, rising competition in the artificial intelligence graphics processing unit market has triggered margin compression, particularly impacting well-known players like NVIDIA. New entrants like DeepSeek have introduced innovative technologies that threaten to further diminish the demand for established graphics processing units. As a 3x leveraged exchange-traded fund, SOXL is notably subject to high risk due to its amplified exposure to sector movements. Short-term traders might find opportunities for profit amid these fluctuations, particularly as some analysts suggest that current price drops could present buy-in opportunities. However, the long-term outlook remains precarious. With inefficiencies in tracking the benchmark index and growing competition, investors should be cautious. While the semiconductor sector is poised for recovery due to its essential role in economic growth, SOXL's recent performance indicates that it may struggle to regain its footing without addressing these competitive challenges. Thus, potential investors must weigh the risks and consider their investment horizon carefully. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL ETF is generating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $19.80 and $26.36. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and since then, the ETF has declined by 45.08%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 weeks ago. Bollinger, buy signal from nearly 2 months ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 weeks ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 weeks ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from just over a week ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from nearly 2 weeks ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 weeks ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from approximately 5 months ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. This ETF exhibits considerable daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.99 between its highest and lowest points, translating to 12.02%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 12.17%. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for the SOXL ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume beneath this level, which indicates that the ETF could decline sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there has been no stop-loss established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL exhibits several negative signals and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 6 cents and begin trading at $17.47. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.